Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change color palette in your Android phone. So at first, open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down and then go to wallpaper and style option. After that, go to color palette option. Now you have to enable color palette from here and it's enabled successfully. Now from here, you can change your color palette and you can choose any color as you like. Also, if you want to set basic color, just tap on basic colors and from here you can set any basic color as you like. If you want to set this color, just select it and then tap on apply and give it a moment and it's done. Now you can see in my phone color palette has been changed successfully. Also, if you cannot find this option here, just go back and then touch and hold on the home screen. Then go to wallpaper and style and that's it. You can also change your color palette from here. And that is how you can change color palette in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.